My goodness, I swear Illinois has the worst roads in the country. My goodness. Craziness, guys. Decorations out there to ride. Driving on Interstate 80 here westbound, you got this person at the farm. They got a bunch of satellite dishes all painted up in different colors. That's kind of cool. Interesting. Yeah, one good sign, guys, of spring or summer's coming is everything is coming back to life. You can see all the greenery, especially the leaves on the trees and everything coming back. Yep, it's the best time of year in the U.S., springtime, at least in the northern parts anyway. Pretty. You see the trees are blooming, the leaves are growing, the grass is green. It's like just a sign of everything's coming back to life. I'm in Indiana today, guys. I'm just on the east side of Indianapolis, making my way to... Gotta go down into Kentucky. Oh shit. I don't like this. Oh, I didn't mean to swear. Oh shoot. Whew. Railroad track. Damn. They Highway 52 east, 9 back down, get back down on the interstate. Alright, let's go, guys. Crossing the Ohio River. Out of Indiana. Nice big bridge over the Ohio River. You can see how green everything is now. Crossing out of Indiana into Kentucky, guys. Right there. Welcome to Kentucky. A little more beautiful greenery here in Kentucky. Early spring. Don't have quite the leaves on our trees up north like they do down here already. So it's kind of a taste of spring for me, guys. Got to enjoy this because I'm heading back north. Alright, we'll see you guys down the road. Let's go. That sunset, guys, isn't it beautiful? Wow, makes the sun look awful huge. Minneapolis. Look how big that sun looks though. Man. Crazy. I don't know if it looks that big on here, but man, it just looks awesome in real life. It's pretty. I just hope it looks better for you guys on screen than it does for me on this GoPro, but we'll see. Like I say earlier, further north I get, the leaves on the trees are getting less and less. But down there, the northern part of Kentucky, it's like super green already. Up here, the trees have a lot of growth yet to do. A lot of leaves to grow. Detour through downtown Bloomington, Illinois, due to an accident on the freeway. Somebody had mentioned on the CB ahead of time, so I was able to get off and around. That's downtown Bloomington there. Thing why I like having a CB radio too in the truck. It allows you to get that kind of information ahead of time so you don't get caught in those backup traffic jams. They said the freeway was closed down due to an accident, so jumped off the freeway ahead of that and get around it. Just got a detour through downtown city here. It's pretty quiet anyway, so not too bad. Just making my way through here. Not a very far, much of a detour. Only got like, it's only like a 6 miles. So 3 miles to go here. We'll be out of it. Back on the freeway. Give you guys a little scenery that you're not used to. Some kind of a ice arena, I think, right here on the right. Nice. Bloomington, Illinois, guys. That's where I'm at. Downtown Bloomington, Illinois. Get down through here so we can get back on the freeway. A lot of old historic buildings. Old warehouse, antique. Interesting. guys. I just wanted to talk a little bit about Chu. I know we got a bunch of new subscribers lately, and just kind of want to give you guys a heads up, knowing that I'm here in the United States and Chu is still back in the Philippines. We're working on her visa. We're getting closer. We're at the NVC stage. It's waiting to be her documentary qualified, I guess, stage. Hopefully we'll hear from that here real soon. We're hoping to already have been qualified, but then waiting on interview. But as you all know, all your new subscribers anyway, that I kind of currently just go back and forth right now to the Philippines until Chu can be here with me full time. So if you just hit that bell notification, if you guys would, that'll kind of let you know when we got new videos coming out. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, please go back and check out some of our old videos. You can see a lot of the adventurous stuff that Chu and I have been on right from the beginning. So I really appreciate it, guys. All the new people, thank you so much. Please share if you would appreciate it. Can't wait till Chu's over here and we can do more of our adventures together. But I think as of right now, probably looking at July, I'll be back over to the Philippines unless Chu's already here. So, but we'll have more updates as we go along. Anyway, guys, appreciate you sticking around. Railroad crossing. BNSF Railroad. A lot of containers probably coming on from ships from like China and Taiwan and stuff like that. Taiwan, Singapore, who knows? But then those containers, they'll come from the other side of the country, like from either probably Seattle. Yeah, you can drive right over it. Yep. 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 Probably all those things came off a ship probably a week ago out of either like Seattle or Portland, Oregon or something. And they put them on a rail all the way across country to Chicago area. Then they get trucked on trucks. No, don't stop. Train. It's slowing down. No. What the fish? It's slowing down. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, please check in at Tyson. Your 11:30 appointment. Yeah. Trying to get there now. Held up by train. It's a long train, guys. Long train. Oh, here's the end of it. I see the end of the train. See, they got usually like 2 or 3 engines in the front, and then they got the 1 engine in the back of the train. Oh, and it's coming to a stop. Don't stop. Keep going. See, that's the big engine train right there. Hear the diesel engines running. Yeah, you might not be able to hear it. And there it is, guys, a long ass train. And then the gate arms will go up here in a second, and then you can cross. And then you can kind of see it, how they have the where you can cross right here. See, they got it special designed on the road so you can cross it. There we go, we made it.